Can you actually day trade on Wealthsimple? This is a question I get asked a lot. And for good reason. Wealthsimple has revolutionized investing in Canada, making it accessible and, dare I say, cool. With commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, it's no wonder so many people, especially those new to the markets, are curious if this platform can be their gateway to the fast-paced world of day trading. Now, before we dive deep, let's get something straight. Day trading isn't just about buying and selling quickly. It's a highly specialized, intensely demanding pursuit. It requires discipline, lightning-fast decision-making, a solid understanding of market dynamics, and a whole lot of capital. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, no matter what some online gurus might tell you. Most people who try day trading lose money, and they lose it fast. So, if you're thinking of jumping into this, please proceed with extreme caution and manage your expectations. So, back to Wealthsimple. Is it possible? Technically, yes. Wealthsimple allows you to buy and sell the same security within a single trading day. When you sell an asset, the proceeds are generally available for new purchases right away. That's a key ingredient for day trading. Unlike some platforms, there isn't a hard pattern day trader rule in Canada like there is in the US, which requires a minimum of $25,000 in a margin account for frequent day trading. So, you won't get flagged for making too many trades in a 5-day period just for using a Canadian broker like Wealthsimple. This might make it seem like a perfect fit for day traders. But here's where the reality starts to diverge from the possibility, and why Wealthsimple, despite its many merits, might not be the ideal platform for true day trading. Let's break down the critical factors for day trading and how Wealthsimple measures up. First, real-time market data. Day trading is all about timing. Every second counts. You need to know exactly what the price of a stock is right now, not what it was 15 minutes ago. This is a crucial point of friction with Wealthsimple. While they offer real-time streaming quotes for some assets, for many, especially if you're not a premium or generation client, you might encounter a 15-minute delay on quotes. Imagine trying to navigate a bustling highway if your GPS had a 15-minute lag. You'd be crashing left and right. For a day trader, a 15-minute delay is an absolute deal-breaker. It means the price you see on your screen might not be the actual price you'll get when your order executes. This slippage can eat into your profits, or worse, exacerbate your losses. Professional day traders often pay for direct market access and real-time level 2 data to see the true depth of the order book. Wealthsimple simply doesn't offer that level of granular, instant information that a dedicated day trader needs. Second, execution speed and order types. When you're day trading, you're looking to capitalize on tiny price movements. This means your orders need to be filled almost instantly at the price you want. While Wealthsimple's execution speed for market orders is generally good, they do have limitations that could impact a day trader. For instance, during extended and overnight hours trading, only limit orders are permitted. Market orders entered during these times will be queued for the next regular market session. Day traders rely heavily on market orders to get in and out of positions quickly, especially during volatile periods. Furthermore, while Wealthsimple offers limit orders, stop limit orders, and market orders, the suite of advanced order types commonly found on platforms designed for active traders, such as trailing stops or bracket orders, is more limited. These advanced order types are vital for managing risk and automating entries and exits, which is crucial when you're making dozens of trades a day. Third, fees, particularly currency conversion fees. Wealthsimple prides itself on commission-free trading for Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. This sounds fantastic for day trading, right? No commissions mean more profit, even on small moves. However, there's a significant caveat: foreign exchange, FX, conversion fees for US-denominated assets. If you're trading US stocks, which are a huge part of the day trading universe due to their liquidity and volatility, and you don't have a USD account, Wealthsimple charges a 1.5% currency conversion fee on both the buy and the sell. That's 1.5% when you buy in USD and 1.5% when you sell and convert back to CAD. That's a 3% round-trip cost on top of any price movement. For someone making multiple trades a day, these fees will quickly decimate any small profits. Now, you might say, but Wealthsimple offers USD accounts. And you'd be right. If you upgrade to a premium or generation client tier, or pay a monthly subscription fee, you can get a USD account and hold US dollars directly. This significantly reduces or eliminates those FX fees. This is a game changer if you plan to trade US stocks frequently. However, it adds a layer of cost or requires a substantial amount of assets with Wealthsimple to qualify for premium or generation status. For a beginner day trader with limited capital, this could still be a barrier. Fourth, funding and withdrawals. Day trading requires quick access to capital. Wealthsimple offers instant deposits up to a certain limit, which can be up to $50,000 for core clients and up to $250,000 for premium/generation clients. This is good for getting started. However, funds deposited, even instantly, won't be available for withdrawal or internal transfer for several business days, typically 5 business days for standard deposits. While you can trade with the instant deposit amount, the inability to immediately move those funds around for other purposes might be a limitation if you're trying to manage capital across different strategies or platforms. Fifth, customer support for active trading. Day trading involves complex scenarios and sometimes unexpected issues with orders or the platform. Having responsive, knowledgeable customer support that understands the intricacies of active trading is essential. While Wealthsimple's customer service is generally good for long-term investors, their support might not be as geared towards the immediate, technical demands of a high-frequency day trader who needs problems resolved in real time. Sixth, and perhaps most importantly, the philosophical stance of Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is fundamentally designed to be a long-term investment platform. Their marketing, their features, and even their educational content emphasize passive investing, diversification, and building wealth over time. They explicitly state in their help center that day trading is not generally encouraged in our trading accounts. While they don't explicitly forbid it, this sentiment highlights that their platform isn't built with the specific needs of a day trader in mind. They're not looking to attract high-frequency traders, they're looking for individuals who want to invest for retirement, save for a down payment, or grow their wealth steadily. This isn't a criticism of Wealthsimple, it's simply a recognition of their target audience and platform design. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.